permanent is a stage of life. Stage. Nasa stage ako ngayon. Maganda yung stage. Wide shot, please. Maganda yung stage. See? Pero hindi ako dito natutulog. Hindi ako dito nagbibihes. Hindi ako dito nakatira. Kahit gaano kaganda yung stage, mamaya bababa ako kasi stage lang yan. And if you know that whatever you are going through, heartbreak, loss, difficulty, challenge, and even criticism, na lahat niyang yan ay stage of life, na hindi ka mamamalagi dyan at hindi yan ang purpose ng Panginoon sa'yo. Kahit nahihirapan ka ngayon, kahit umiiyak ka ngayon, alam mo, bababa ka din. Alam mong matatapos din ang lahat ng bagay. Even though the enemy seeks to afflict you, even though the enemy wants to destroy you, even though the enemy wants to destroy your testimony and destroy your integrity, papahiyain ka ni Satanas, pero alam mo, hindi ito habang buhay. Na kahit mahirap, kahit malaki ang higante sa harapan natin, alam natin that greater is Jesus that is in us than he that is in the world. That in this world we will experience many troubles, but take heart, for Jesus have overcome the world. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, hindi yan habang buhay.